Hey guys, we are talking about the phylum of this kingdom Animalia. So let us discuss Phylum Chordata. So we already discussed the other phyla of this kingdom. I hope they were clear. So today let us see this Phylum Chordata. Now start seeing the classes of this Phylum Chordata. Now the Phylum Chordata consists of 6 classes, which are as follows. The first one is the class CHONDRICHTHYES, second one is the class OSTEICHTHYES, the third one is class AMPHIBIA, the fourth one is class REPTILIA, the fifth one is class AVES, and the last one is the class MAMMALIA. So basically, these are the main 6 classes which we have in this Phylum Chordata. We'll discuss briefly each one of them, starting with the first one, that is the class CHONDRICHTHYES. Now, this class includes a diverse group of fishes, including, for example, these sharks, layfish, and the skates. So basically, they are mostly the marine fishes. So these are the examples of these class CHONDRICHTHYES. Now, the features of this class CHONDRICHTHYES as follows. The first one that the skeleton of these organisms is made up of the cartilage. This one in that the body is covered with the brachoid scales. Third one is that the caudal fin has the two lobes that differ in size. So this means that these fins are of different sizes. The other one is that each pair of gills of these fish is in a separate compartment. So the pair of gills are not held up together, they are put separately. The mouth and the two nostrils are ventral placed, and the other feature or the characteristics of these organisms that they may have these copulatory structures that are called the claspers. So these are just few of the features or the characteristics of the members found in this class CHONDRICHTHYES. Now moving on, this one is the class OSTEICHTHYES. Now this is also the class of fish. It consists of the bony fishes like this seahorse, flying fish, and the anglerfish. Now their features are that the first one that the skeleton is made up of the bones. As you can see, they are bone fish. So basically, the skeleton is made up of the bones. So one in that the body is covered with the ganoid scales. The one that the mouth is terminally placed and the nostrils are posted on the dorsal surface. The fourth one that all the pairs of the gills, which they have found in a common chamber, and the chambers are covered by the operculum. The other feature that the caudal fin are basically of the same size. You see the other class that is class amphibian. Basically in this class consists of the amphibians. Examples of these are as follows: the frogs, salamanders, newts, and the toads. So basically these are just of the few of the examples of the amphibians. Their general features include as follows. First, their skin is almost moist. For example, the frogs, you can see their skin moist. Their life cycle involves the larva from that is called the tadpole. The third one that they use, which are present in the early stages of the development of the tadpole. Tadpole, they were heart which has these early chambers. The other characteristic that there is a gaseous exchange, which is taken by the Jews in the tadpole, and in the adult it is taking place in the lungs, skin, and the mouth lining. So basically, those are the sites where this gaseous exchange takes place in these amphibians. This is the class Reptilia. Now, here From the class, you can just know that the organisms are reptilians. Now, examples of these reptiles, that's how they are called in this class, reptilia. The organisms are reptiles. As follows: the different these turtles, snakes, lizards, alligators, crocodiles, etc., etc. So these are just few of the examples of these reptiles. Now their features as follows: the question that the reptiles breathe only through their lungs, and they have dry, scary skin that prevents them from the drying out during various temperature conditions. There is one name that basically all of these reptiles they are cold blooded, which means that they lack any internal thermostat. Instead, they must regulate body heat through their interactions with the environment. Take an example: a turtle warms itself by basking in the sun. The lizard can regulate its body temperature with these shuttling behaviors, moving in and out of the cover. The other characteristics of feature is that the body is divided into the following parts: the head, neck, trunk, and tail. So these are just few of the features of the reptiles. This is the other class, that is the class AVES. Now, this class involves various organisms, basically the birds. Now, examples of birds are uh, ostrich, chickens, ducks, flamingos, pigeons, etc., etc. So, in this class, it involves all kinds of birds. Now, their features, just few of them, in that uh, their body is covered with feathers, as you can notice to all these birds. Responding that their anterior pair of wings is modified into wings, and the last one that their mouth is modified into a beak or bill. So these are the features of these birds. Moving on, you see class Mammalia. Class Mammalia examples are obviously many of them. For example, as human beings or the example, the wild animals, just few of many of the mammals. Now, their features are like their body first is covered with hair. This one and that they have mammalian glands that we also have. The third one that they have teeth of different types and shapes that enable them to chew and take in food. The other one that they have diaphragm. The other feature that their red blood cells have no nucleus, so that's the other feature of these mammalians. Other than that, they have sweat glands. The sweat glands basically helps to maintain the body temperature, so as the body temperature of mammals be constant. So basically, guys, thank you for listening. We discussed the all 6 classes of this Phylum Chordata. Thank you for listening.